Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get into the zone and achieve great things, while others drift from distraction to distraction? The secret isn't just willpower, it's focus. The human brain's ability to direct attention is the lens through which we shape our reality. In this video, we'll discover how attention works, why it matters, and how you can train it to transform your life. Welcome to Psyc Academy. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is focus and attention? Focus and attention are often used interchangeably, but in psychology they carry distinct meaning. Attention is the brain's mechanism for selecting what to process and what to ignore. According to neuroscientists, when you concentrate on something, brain regions activate and filter out irrelevant stimuli. Psychologist Dr. Tony Dalwaisio describes attention as an internal GPS. Whatever you focus on, you find more of. In practical terms, when you focus on possibilities rather than problems, your perception, motivation, and behavior begin to shift. Section 2. How the brain focuses, the neuroscience. Let's zoom in under the hood of the brain. The prefrontal cortex acts as the brain's focus engine, planning, decision-making, and sustaining attention. In the visual system, research shows that when you attend to a stimulus, the neurons responding to that stimulus fire in synchrony, and neurons for ignored stimuli get suppressed. Attention isn't a steady beam, it works in bursts. In an age of distractions, the brain is wired to monitor for novelty, not just stay locked on one thing. That means your focus is a skill, not just a trait. Neuroscience shows the networks behind attention can be trained and strengthened. Section 3. Why focus shapes reality. Where attention goes, life flows. This phrase captures the power of focus. If you constantly pay attention to your worries, failures, or distractions, that becomes your story. But if you shift your attention to growth, learning, solutions, your brain begins to rewire accordingly. Think about it. Athletes train their focus to hit the target. A writer focuses to create a masterpiece. A student focuses to absorb and apply knowledge. Focus also governs learning, relationships, and well-being. When you give full attention to someone in conversation, the brain of both people shift into synchrony and promote connection. Similarly, in stress or mental health, poor attention control can lead to rumination, distraction, and performance drop. Therefore, mastering where you place your attention is like selecting your reality lens. Section 4. Practical steps to boost your focus. Ready to train your attention? Here are research-backed practices. Minimize distractions. Your brain's resources are limited. One source says multitasking is ineffective because the brain cannot truly divide attention. Block focused time, deep work. Set aside uninterrupted time to engage deeply with a task. Mindful sitting and breathing. Studies show that even short mindfulness practices improve attention control. Single tasking over multitasking. Train your brain to finish one task before starting another. Regular breaks. Your attention depletes. Breaks help restore it and improve performance when you return. Set clear goals. When you know what matters right now, your attention focuses more easily. Use visible cues. Your environment matters. Turn off notifications. Mute unnecessary distractions. Use focused settings. When you consistently apply these, you'll notice improved productivity, greater clarity, stronger learning, and deeper connection with others. Section 5. Common focus killers and how to overcome them. Let's be realistic. Focus doesn't come easy. Some common killers, constant notifications and digital interruptions, overwhelm, multitasking, and unclear priorities, sleep deprivation and fatigue, which impair attention networks, lack of intention, wandering mind without direction. To counteract, designate no-phone windows, practice micro-focus, short bursts of deep work, remind yourself of your why, and rest properly. Remember, your brain is wired to scan for novelty, not stay locked on one thing forever. Recognizing that helps you build habits and structures that support your attention rather than fight against biology. Focus isn't magic. It's the result of understanding your brain, training attention, and aligning your environment and intention. When you focus with purpose, you learn better, connect deeper, perform stronger, and live more deliberately. Today's action. Pick one task you'll give full, uninterrupted attention to. Turn off all other stimuli. Notice how you feel after 25 minutes. That's the start of building your focus muscle. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to reclaim their attention in a world of distraction. This is Psyc Academy, where understanding the mind empowers your life. Stay focused, stay curious. See you in the next video.